guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful 5-color spiral balloon column using a stand. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and perfect for any celebration. Let's get started. Materials needed are 5 different colors of 11 or 12-inch balloons, 11 of each color. I am using Sempertex brand 11-inch balloons, pastel matte green, pink, purple, blue, and yellow. A balloon stand with a sturdy base. I am using my balloon lamp stand that comes with a sturdy base and 5 of these poles. For this project, I am using all 5 of them. It's super easy to assemble. You just screw the first pole onto the base and screw the others onto it. I highly recommend using a weight plate or any other type of weight for outdoor events. A balloon pump, manual or electrical. I highly recommend an electrical to save time and breath. Last but not least, a balloon sizer. It's very important that your balloons are properly and equally sized. That's the biggest key to a professional look. Now let's inflate balloons, size them down, and tie them together to form clusters to build the column. First, inflate 2 balloons, size them down to 8 inches by pressing them up against the 8-inch hole of the sizer box. Slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them together, forming a duplet. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice and tie a simple knot, forming a duplet. Next, inflate 1 balloon and size it down to 8 inches. Wrap it twice around the center of the duplet and tie it to one of the balloon necks of the duplet, forming a trio. Repeat the steps with 2 more balloons, forming a duplet. Now take your duplet and trio and twist the balloons together at the center where the necks are tied. Twist them at least twice until they feel secure. This gives you a cluster of 5 balloons. You are going to repeat these steps until you have formed 10 more sets of these clusters of 5 balloons. It's time to build the spiral balloon column. I attach the balloon on top of the pole to prevent the balloons from popping, and it also helps secure them onto the pole. Slide your first cluster onto the stand between 2 of the balloons. Twist them around each other, locking them into place, and gently press down on them so that they are all sit nice and flat against the base. Next, grab your second cluster and repeat the steps. Slide it onto the pole, stacking it on the first cluster, placing green on pink and pink on green, and twist the cluster slightly to create the spiral effect. Repeat the steps following the opposite color pattern in the front and the same color pattern in the back until you have reached the top of the stand. You can check halfway to see if you are doing it correctly. You should see the spiral forming. I decided to add this 37-inch bunny head topper for a fun finishing touch. I placed the 260 across the end of the balloon neck, rolled it up around the 260 all the way up to the base, and tied both ends of the 260 into a double knot. If you decide to add a topper to your column, you can use a 24 or 36-inch latex balloon as well. For securing the foil balloon onto the column, I centered it right on top of the column, making sure it's nestled down between the balloons. I then spreaded both ends of the 260 and wrapped them around the two front balloons and tied both of their ends into a double knot, securing the foil balloon onto the column. Make any final adjustments to ensure your column is straight and stable. And there you have it. Your 5-color spiral balloon column is complete. It's great for birthdays, baby showers, or any festive occasion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe for more easy balloon decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!